I just put my new wig on. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick get ready with me. I want to show you guys a video of me installing my bob wig I recently created. I actually have a tutorial of how I colored and cut the wig. And if you guys are interested, I'll definitely put the link in the description box below. Okay, so right now I'm just doing my eyebrows. I'm filling them in. I wanted to do my makeup first before I put the wig on because I don't know. Well, not all of my makeup. Well, you guys gonna see that. Okay, so once I'm done filling in my eyebrows, I always go in with a makeup wipe and take off the extra makeup at the top. I don't like that because it's just, I don't like packing more makeup on top of it, and it's just in a way. And now I'm just gonna put on my lashes. Y'all do not judge how long my lashes are because this is what I like, and they cute on me, and I like to have long lashes if you've been keeping up. Okay, you guys, so this is the wig I'm showing you. I went ahead and put a wig cap on and I'm gonna start coloring it. I'm using a MAC powder to basically make it the same color as my skin tone. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in and start, as you see, coloring the wig, the inside of it so it can match. And now I'm just putting it on and measuring it to my head size, see how I need to cut it. I'm moving the hair out the way. And you know, you see the gist, you know. And I'm cutting that extra lace off so it can fit proper on me, and I don't need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And yeah. Also, you guys, this is my first time ever trying a wig cap with my wig. I just really did it for the video. Did I like it? No, not really. I'll do without it personally. But I honestly just wanted to try it out and see how it will look through the wig. And it's not too bad. Like, it's cool, but I just prefer without it. Okay, so right now I'm just using my Got To Be glue spray. This is how I usually do my frontals. I'm not a big fan of the glue. I never really bought the glue for real, but I always use the Got To Be glue spray, and then I'll just spread it out through my fingers. And I also use that card to like stop it from spreading everywhere on my face. So once I let it dry, I went ahead and started putting it on my face, but on my forehead. And I always use my comb to like seal it down for a better, you know, so it can better get on my scalp. Okay, so once it's done drying, I'm gonna go in with some scissors and start cutting off that extra lace. I start at the bottom and then work my way around. Also, I know you guys see the cap. That was another reason why I didn't like the cap, because it was kind of like showing through it. But it's cool. Like, it eventually worked out. So I don't know. The scissors was difficult, so I just started using the razors, the eyebrow razors. So yeah, I'm just go around and cut everything off. Also, you guys, I have bought this hair from the Thedreamcollection, and I don't know why I ordered it small, but I ended up ordering it small. And it didn't fit my head properly like it should. My head is huge. I should have got a medium or a large, but I love how the hair took the color. It still has a smooth consistency. But the only thing I didn't like is how small the cap was. Okay, so after I'm done cutting the lace off, I'm gonna go in and use a cotton ball to start taking the extra glue off my forehead, because once I put my makeup on, the glue likes to show through. I don't like that. So I have to take the extras off the lace, and then I'm gonna go in with my powder and start coloring the lace around it so it can match my skin tone, because it did look a little light. And then I'm gonna start pulling some hair in the front so I can start cutting my baby hair. Slowly coming together. Okay, you guys, I'm not even gonna cap. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed from earlier, but the wig cap is a little smaller and it didn't lay as proper on the other side of my head, but it's cool because that hair is long enough to cover all that. So now I'm gonna just go in and start plucking some of the baby hairs. It looked like it was too much for me, so I want it to be like a smooth, not too much baby hairs. And then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and just start combing the hair back, descending it from the baby hair, so you can see the difference. So once I separated the hair from the baby hairs, I want to go in with my scarf to tighten it. I feel like this helps separate the baby hairs and also secure the glue or the got to be glue spray that you sprayed on. I'm just let that sit on for a while. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in and start working on my makeup again to finish up my makeup look. Okay, you guys, so this is practically done. I'm done with my makeup. Also, I actually have moles right there, so I'm not just creating moles, okay? So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take my scarf off, and then I'm going to start working my baby hairs. I'm going to push some of the hair back again. I just felt like it was in a way, like, I'm trying to create my baby hairs. Let's move out the way. Okay, so I had to go back in and re-pluck my baby hairs because I didn't want the baby hairs to be too thick. So that's what I'm doing, just plucking out the extra ones. And every time I do my baby hairs, I don't use gel. I'm really big on foam. I don't know, it just, I feel like it works best for me. So I just use that to suit my baby hair. And then with the foam, it basically mows it down. It's wet when you put it on, but you know, it helps mow the hair down once it's dry. Okay, so once I'm done with doing my baby hairs, I'm gonna go in and start flat ironing the front. It looks a little straight, so I just want to put a little bump in it, so it can look the way it needs to look. Okay, you guys, this is basically the look. I don't know, like that front piece, I kept using the, what is it called? The hot comb. I kept using the hot comb. I just felt like it was in the way. I wanted to show my baby hairs a little bit, but I don't know, I just wanted that like that. That hump in the front. But yeah, this is practically it. I wasn't really keen on like my lace was trying to lift a little bit right here, so I had to, you know, spray a little bit more spray on it, and then pack that down. And then I felt like my hair at the top was, you know, a little up, so I went in with the hot comb and start pressing that down, making it flatter so it can be flat on my head. I wanted that flat look. Also, I did go in to fix the flyaways at the top of my hair. They were kind of showing, so I just used some of the foam to flatten that down as well. But this is it, y'all. We is bad. Look at that. Look at that cut. Who did it? Me. I know. But yes, y'all, this is the look. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like the video. Subscribe. If you have any suggestions, let me know. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.